Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use WebRank Elite v4.0, a tool that simulates real user behavior to help boost your website's search engine rankings. Let's jump right in. When you first open the app, you land on the dashboard. This is your control center. You can see 4 key stats at the top: target, pairs, done, and failed. These update in real time as your session runs. To get started, you need to add a keyword to website pair. Type your target keyword in the left field, for example, Best SEO Tools 2025, then paste your website URL on the right and hit the plus button to add it. Step 2. Send direct URL traffic. Open your website directly without going through a search engine. Ideal for simulating branded or direct visitors. Supports single or multiple URLs. Now click on Direct Traffic in the left menu. This feature lets the bot skip the search engine entirely and open your URL directly, simulating someone who already knows your site and types it straight into the browser. You have 2 options here. Single direct URL is selected by default. Just paste your link into the field and hit the plus button, or switch to multiple direct URLs if you want the bot to rotate between several different pages on your site. This is great for simulating traffic to blog posts, product pages, or landing pages. Next up is reference traffic. This is one of the most powerful features in WebRank Elite. It makes visits appear as if they're coming from popular social media platforms. Click any platform to activate it: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, LinkedIn, or even import a custom referrer URL. Auto-rotate is enabled by default, so the bot cycles through your selected platforms automatically each session. In the reference visit section below, set a minimum and maximum visit duration. Defaults are 20 to 40 seconds, which looks natural. Scroll down is also enabled to simulate real browsing behavior. Important: when you're done configuring, click this disabled button at the bottom right to toggle it on and activate reference traffic for your session. Step 4. Under the configuration section in the sidebar, click Search Engine. This is where you tell the bot which search engine to use when looking up your keyword. Google is selected by default. It drives the most traffic, but also has the toughest anti-bot protection, so make sure your proxies are solid. For a less strict option, Bing is a great alternative. Yahoo uses Bing's backend. DuckDuckGo is privacy-focused and easier to work with. For international targeting, choose Baidu for China, Yandex for Russia and Europe, or Nava for South Korea. You can also import custom search engines using the Import Engines button at the top. Useful if you're targeting niche or regional search platforms. Step 5. Now click Session Config. This screen controls the scale and automation behavior of your entire session. Click Target is the total number of visits to simulate. It's set to 10 by default. Great for testing. Once everything is working, increase this based on your campaign goals. Concurrent browsers controls how many browser windows run at the same time. Default is 3. Higher values run faster, but require more system resources and better proxies. Task Start Delay adds a 2-second gap between launching each browser task. This spacing looks more natural and reduces the chance of triggering rate limits. Down below, keep all 3 automation options turned on. Random user agent per browser. Random typing delays for human simulation, and rotate proxies per browser. These 3 settings work together to make every visit look unique. Step 6. Click Browser Behavior. This section defines what happens after the bot lands on your page, and this is what separates real-looking traffic from obvious bot traffic. All 5 on-page actions are enabled by default. The bot will scroll down slowly to simulate reading, then scroll back up, open 1 to 2 internal links, scroll through those articles, and finally go back to the search results, exactly like a real user would behave. In the timing section, main page read. Time is 60 seconds. That's how long the bot stays on your main landing page before doing anything else. This directly affects your average session duration metric in analytics. Article read time is 20 seconds per internal page, and max articles to open is capped at 2. Adjust these values to match realistic reading behavior for your specific content, longer for in-depth articles, shorter for product pages. Step 7. Now let's set up your proxies. Click Proxy Manager. Running sessions without proxies will quickly get your IP flagged, so this step is essential for any real campaign. Paste your proxies directly into the left panel. Supported formats are shown at the top: host:/port, user:/pass at host:/port, HTTP with credentials, or SOCKS 5. Each proxy goes on its own line. You can also click load.txt to import a proxy file from your computer, or hit scrape free to automatically find and load free public proxies, though paid proxies will always perform better. Once your proxies are loaded, hit Test All. The results panel on the right shows each proxy's status, latency in milliseconds, and whether it's active. Use the Active Only filter to keep just the working proxies for your session. Step 8. Click User Agent. This controls the browser fingerprint sent with each visit, meaning what browser and operating system the server thinks is connecting. The currently active user agent is shown in the dark bar at the top. Right now it's showing a Mac Chrome user agent. Click Auto Rotate to automatically cycle through a different user agent for every browser session. The built-in desktop agent pool includes Windows Chrome, Mac Chrome, Mac Safari, Firefox, Linux Chrome, and Edge. So every visit looks like it came from a different person on a different device. You can also import your own custom user agent list or manually click Rotate to pick a specific agent. Rotating fingerprints is one of the most effective ways to avoid bot detection. Step 9. Under Monitoring in the sidebar, click Cookies Manager. This feature lets you load browser cookie profiles, so your sessions appear as returning users rather than fresh visitors. Click Import Cookies and select your JSON file. Cookie profiles will appear listed in the panel below once loaded. When your profiles are loaded and you're ready to run, click Enable Cookies at the bottom right. This activates the cookie data for all browser sessions, making your traffic look much more like real, engaged users. Step 10. Last stop before running. Click Live Log. This is your real-time monitoring window. Every action the bot takes is logged here with a timestamp. You can already see an entry here. Reference traffic, disabled. 0 platforms, 0 custom. This confirms your current settings. Once a session is running, this log fills up with detailed events from every browser task. Everything is configured. You've set your keyword pairs on the dashboard, chosen your search engine, configured your session, set browser behavior, loaded proxies, rotated user agents, and set up your traffic sources. Now hit the big green Run Session button in the top right to launch. Watch your counters at the top update in real time. Target shows your goal, Done shows completed sessions, and Failed flags any errors. usually a dead proxy or bot detection. Keep the live log open to monitor everything as it runs. Good luck! And that's the complete walkthrough of WebRank Elite V 4.0. To get the best results, start with a small click target to test your setup. Always use quality rotating proxies. Keep browser behavior settings realistic and monitor your live log for any errors. Good luck, and thanks for watching.